Hi, I'm David Hines. I've been getting massages 12 years. The last 6 years have been here. You know, when I was diagnosed with spondylitis, I didn't really think about massage at the time, but I worked with a couple teachers who recommended coming to get regular massages. My neck, I always ask for neck and shoulder work because my neck is stiff, and I think that regular massages helps with the range of motion, maintain the range of motion that I still have. I don't consider it a luxury. I think it's one of my priorities. It's a routine I look forward to. I'm always several hours or days younger after every massage. It helps a lot. I don't plan on ever giving it up. Unless I'm out of town, I never miss.